Alright guys, so we're back on the 2001 Grand Cherokee. I believe it's an 01. We looked at this quite a while back, made the call on the ECM. Customer finally got to use one for it, at least one that wasn't all corroded. I got the DRB, we logged into the skim module. Took some time to get in here, probably like 5 minutes. I don't know what the hang up was, but we're going to go down here to miscellaneous. We're going to go to PCM replace. Now I did make sure that he put the original skim module back in it because he had replaced it with the other used ECM. Remember, this is one he put a couple used ECM ins. We're going to want our pin number here. Let's see, I wrote this down. 5843 5843 3. How come you're not going in here for me? What in the thunder? Try this again. Sitting here talking, I should be reading. Enter to continue. 5 8 4 3. Press enter, and this is going to transfer our VIN. Everybody's going to shake hands here. Is this pin number correct? It is. Am I sure? Yes, I am. Pin correct for the skim, so that does mean he has the correct skim module back in it at this time. Now it's going to write the skim VIN to the ECM. This VIN ends with, I'm trying to look on the windshield, 894 maybe. Present VIN. So that's the one that's in the used ECM that's in it. So we'll hit enter. Takes a minute here. 894, that's what we have. Transfer complete. Press enter to continue. Press enter to transfer secret key from skim to PCM, and that's what we want to do because we got a security light on right now. Transfer complete. Press enter. Cycle ignition key before starting. So we're going to hit enter here. We'll give it a minute. Get you back up here on the cluster. Technically it should start. Okay, our security light comes on. Let's see if it goes off. It goes off. Hopefully you guys can see that. It should run now. Alright. So starts and runs. I don't know much about this vehicle, so I don't want to leave it running. But we kind of have a look at this. He did tear apart his ECM. Let me move you guys. Let me turn this DRB off. The thing sounds like it's going to take off on us. There we go. So here's the ECM that he tore apart, and you can see that clearly this is destroyed from corrosion. I mean, we've got, well, surface mount resistor down here. That is, you know, just corroded and loose and falling off, and you can see it starts getting corroded all across through here, and you know, it's kind of jacking up that little transistor there. But clearly, you know, the corrosion is what takes these things out. So apparently the one he got says Reman on it, and it looks really clean. So that's that. We're done. Alright folks, that's it. Just wanted to give you a follow up on this. I know it's been several weeks, at least I'm pretty sure it has. And we did use the DRB. No, you can do this with the Altel also. I didn't want to take the chance of having anything going goofy. I got to look at another Toyota van while I'm here. That's a no start. So just wanted to do this, bring you guys along, show you that we made the right call, show you what the inside of the ECM looks like. If you don't remember that video, I'll link it in the description, and of course up here on the screen. So alright, that's it. Gotta get going. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.